after that, modifying
Yeah.
that which recording was on which date.
So many times, so much effort. It's safe, right? YouTube it is safe.
Sir, when live stopped, I log into YouTube,
Hmm.
and then I get to know within 10 minutes that
Right, right, right.
this
Right,
was
right.
this.
No need to wait for me, nothing, right? Now you see my screen, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
Sir, I guess SAP system is open right now.
No, I
Yeah,
will now. Yes, yes. If I go to here, the best place is a lot of good concepts. Slightly it looks more details, but you will get a good point here. This is inbuilt documentation, SAP. Here. For example, if you go to ABAP dictionary, which we have done, right? We can go to here. Everything will be there here about data types. What the DDL structures, table types. Slide this code you cannot understood now. This is everything they go through the hoops only here. But all theory concepts, a lot of things will be there. Data elements, for example.
means till now what you
Taught, yes.
explained us.
Yes.
Data elements, data tables,
Yes.
database tables.
Hmm.
Till
Here,
there we
if
can
you go through
get.
our topic, what we said in the class is easy. If you go through only complete this one, it takes a lot of complex. And we teach what is required only. That is what the trader is coming into picture.
Means practical is required with this.
What
Otherwise,
practice is
it will
required.
be confused.
Confused and it is a never ending. Lot of things.
Never
So
ending.
2 days back, we found one topic, one issue. So maybe that you cannot understand. I will tell you later in the class. So it was working totally a different way. So when we were declaring the one structure type, so it was referring to only the data element only. No error, nothing was coming. But only output data is not displaying. Then we take a lot of, we break our head. Then it was very simple solution that is not so at all easy to find that. It's not a syntax error, it's not a runtime error also. I'll tell that later if you cannot understood that. Go to here. That you can find this is a very good place. Even the programming which we are going to start today, you can find here. ABAP overview complete here. What all things in ABAP. But don't go for the terminology which you don't know, like RFC interfaces and all. You cannot know, you'll be not knowing at this time.
Sir, about data category, I got to know means size category, application 0,
Hmm.
1,
Hmm, 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 hmm.
2. This I
Hmm.
got to know means more data, more data is required. According to that, we use that application 1 or 2.
Correct, correct,
But
correct.
but about size, this one data class, there are many categories I've seen.
Data, I'll show you here.
Means I've seen like A and C. I got to know.
Correct, correct. This is for the business purpose. If you go to more example.
Sorry to confuse you, but
No, no, no. You think confusing, right? Here, okay. See, these two are
okay.
business data. This is SAP uses for the different applications. This one. C is for customizing table. We have created some company code, company for that type of tables.
Customer customer related only maintain.
Customizing data, like plan to company code, company for those type of things.
Okay.
Maintenance, when I was telling, I was showing that. Because these are the SAP system tables and all used. I think, for example, if you go to DD02L, I think this contains all SAP tables what you have created. If you go to here, see here. This they have used the delivery class SW they have used SAP content
W.
because this is system related information. This is not a business data. So if you remember, right, I was telling two types of data. One is
T001.
one is business data, all sales order, purchase order, materials data, plant, storage location, this type of
Okay,
info.
okay,
And the technical data is like data element name, table name, program name, view name, search help name. These are the not a business data. It's a technical
okay,
information, technical data. For the technical data, they use this W. Technical data, you don't create the tables for technical data, right? You create a data element, you create a,
okay.
but those will be finally stored again in the database table. This is the concept actually. For example, whatever the tables we have created, right? You can find out all the tables we have created here till now. If I go to display, if I go to contents, if I go ZMAS star, see how many all these tables what I created in this system with this name. See, 47 tables I have
A.
created. I mean, 47 tables I have created. This is all my tables, what I created. Suppose if I want search for your table, so maybe you might have given ZVA, for example. I can go ZFI star, VA star. You get all the tables what you have. I mean, maybe somebody also has created
Yes.
like this tables. All your
Yeah.
tables,
ZVIS.
all your tables are here.
Yeah.
Everything stores in the system database only. Business data and technical information. Technical information means table, program, data element, domain, search help,
Okay.
everything. Okay. Now about this documentation we are talking, right? This one you can find out, or you can
Yes,
find
yes.
where you can find out other places. Anyway, ABAP help, right? ABAP help. If you go to here, ABAP dictionary, this is one of the best. Same thing you can find it here as well. ABAP dictionary.
Means I've checked in ABAP help about the delivery class. So I asked you. Otherwise, I won't ask you.
Oh, here you can find out foreign key, primary key, all the information. Data class, size category. They will explain more clearly.
Yeah, with this, I went in afternoon with
Mhm.
this one.
Mhm.
And I checked
Okay.
what is the difference.
Mhm. And I showed you one,
Otherwise,
gave you already one more website, right? sapcodes.com also. You will go through that website, sapcodes.com. I think I have given already here. SAP
no,
codes.
sir.
I have not given, I have given some time back. One of the best site, sapcodes.com here. Go to here, they will give everything step by step here. Table creation, I will see if I go to here, if I go to
Okay.
the data dictionary, they'll give everything here how to create the database view, for example. Step by step with print skin. Everything
Okay,
will be.
by different screens.
Oh, you will give print skins.
Simple.
Print skins. What skin print information as well. You can export as much as possible. Search help. If you go to search help, you can see here how they have given. I best step here.
Okay, sir. You can continue now.
Okay, that's done. This is done, right? We go through this one examples for whatever the topics we have done. And other one is ABAP cheat sheet, right? GitHub. Someone was saying to me yesterday that
Yeah,
needs
just now you shared
this one.
the
This one
link.
I shared, right? This one also I shared in the group, in our group.
Yeah, just now you have shared, sir.
hide this one. Control Shift H. This will be very deep concepts here. Now go to here. Everything will give here. But there is some different complex code here.
Insert, delete if
Hmm.
statements.
Yes. Here. CBS views. This yesterday only I came to know. One minute.
Sorry, the topic is
No,
divergent a
no,
little bit.
no, I am diverting. This is not diversion. This is a topic we are talking subject only, right? Lot of real-time things you can find out here. So that student will do a lot of R&D. He is very, each person different, right? So he will put a lot of efforts. Even though he is expert in the web, within 1 year he became 10 months only. You can find out all the SQL statements here. Ganesh, you can go to this one because you learned already ABAP.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
But everything you cannot make it understood. Okay, but go through all what we have done in the class.
Okay, sir.
Perfect, very good. I really felt very happy yesterday. He spoke to me more than 1 hour.
Sir,
Uh-huh. He will explore like anything. He is working around 5-6 years. People task where they are unable to do. He is doing that. Some of the issues.
Yeah. Okay.
okay, who was currently working for Capgemini?
He was a first student last year. October 1st we started his batch. He was one of that batch.
Oh, okay.
November 20th I completed that batch. 25th. He called me immediately after getting the project. He's saying that I'm very, very happy, sir. Very interesting about. Oh, even I'm surprising this one. Oh, so many examples. Ganesh, you might be understanding this, some of these things.
Yes, sir.
My God, classes and objects. Oops, concept. See, but lot of time it will take. But very good. All the whatever that I think whoever maintain this one is all real time guys only, working people.
Okay.
Okay, all your statement. Okay. So quickly, if you want, I can put it the things where what things you can update in the resume. Let me put it in the notepad. Mm, I'll go to new document here. File.
It's okay. You can share it later.
No, we'll write here. No, I don't share it anything. I'll write so that you can write the same put in the resume. Okay.
Okay.
Have expertise in display below topics. So you can use the chat GPT and you can make it more effective as well, right? The spelling, all these things, and creation of custom tables based on the business requirement. Okay. Yeah, also, you can write some point like we need custom tables in SAP for creating custom business records. Business reports if SAP has not given one specific business. Okay. Maybe you can just for your understanding, but this one you can put in the resume. This is business requirements. So, giving the option, give this terminology in the resume, giving the option of SM30 to maintain the data by the user to the custom tables. Okay, leave this terminology.
Yes, that's right.
Maintaining the data using one step and what is the other one? One step and if we go to here, right? One step and two step.
Creating entries options for giving the details.
Right? Creation of custom tabs based on business requirement need customs, giving the option of SM30 to maintain the data by the user to the custom tables, maintaining the data using one step and two steps giving to user. You might be knowing what is the one step and two step, but you understood already we discussed. Go through the whole video. So and
Yes, yes.
right, expertise in and creation of custom data elements, which is reusable objects in SAP across tables and programs. Right, this terminology, so it will be more effective in the resume. Okay, just not like the data elements concept and all. Right, this one line will be more meaningful. Expertise in the concepts of domain, where we can use the domain for creating multiple data elements. Just like this, some one-line terminology, expertise in the concepts of primary key, foreign key concepts and creating foreign key based on the business dependency of the custom tables. Right? Clear? And structure type, table type, I have not showed you, right? Maybe I think I can show you later once the program start also. Expertise
Yes, sir. Till now, it is.
in the concepts of
Yeah.
creating global structure types and table types which can be usable across the SAP or three repository objects. Okay. If you write this terminology, right, if anything doubts and all, I can explain you before call or after for any interview and all. It's better. We'll keep this terminology only in resume. You update this one by one. So I think no problem. Today, right, what we can do is next 30 minutes or whatever the time, 30 minutes, I'll go through this topic only. No problem. We can continue programming tomorrow. No problem. Hello? You're
Yes.
getting? Right.
Yes, sir.
And which can be used across the SAP repository objects. Like in web programs, function models, functions, and methods for reusability. Expertise, concepts of value table. And expertise. Concepts of sourcing, both elementary and collective sourcing. Variation based on either help you or custom tables and attaching to raster data in as well as using it as match code object in SC38 in ABAP program for selection skill input. right? Expertise in the concepts of database views, production views, right? LPs and maintenance views. Right? Subs. Type groups and block objects. Which is reusable structure types across ABAP repository objects and log objects, which is useful for creating a log on a table so that table type more than one person should not be able to edit. Okay, and SC11. So for ABAP dictionary, you give this many points in the resume as a fresher, better. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. ABAP. Expertise in data types. Maybe this terminology you can think of, I can change it. It may not be required every time as expertise and all. Okay. Whatever you feel like you,
Okay.
right? Then ask ChatGPT to give us the good thing. Expertise in
Okay, sir.
I'll go through it quickly. So maybe another 10 minutes, I'll go through this one, then we'll can continue, no problem. So Tuesday morning, if you're okay, I can take 9 to 11. Tuesday. Tuesday only for me. We'll complete this one now. Expertise in data types. Concepts. And purpose of each data type. Example. Character. Integer. Numeric. Mainly character, integer, and numerical. Packed data types. String data type. If you want floating also you can use. We don't use the floating here much. Floating is for scientific data type. This is what we are supposed to start today, this topic. What I'm writing this one line.
Okay.
Clear concepts of data objects that we create in SAP in ABAP program, in ABAP repository objects for storing the data in the runtime of ABAP programs. Example, variables for KIS, nothing but structure and internal tables. Maybe I think I'll hold on here. So I'll copy paste and I'll save as well this one. Then this topic quickly I'll do it now. This one now next 20 minutes. 8:40 to 8:40. Okay, na? We go to here. See. Okay. Next,
Yes, sir.
I'll save this file as well.
It has taken much time, sir,
No, it's important, right?
about this.
Very important.
Yeah.
So this one will keep it continue and then update to next class as well. Save as how to save here. File. Where is the save option?
So new note is different one, I guess.
This one I created it. I think it will save automatically be available, right? Yes. Any problem? This will be available automatically. I think this saved. Okay. Next, I will go to the program, this topic quickly. We can finish some program, some one or test one program.
Okay, sir.
So if I
You
go
can
to,
continue.
if I go to here, new document. Right. If I take the overall flow of SAP, okay, this is ABAP dictionary. This is ABAP dictionary. With this ABAP dictionary, we can create all database related activities, do activities here. This is SAP database. Right? This through ABAP dictionary, what you are doing is you are creating all the database related activities. If anybody asks what things you can do ABAP dictionary, what you can tell? If anybody asks what are all the things that you can do through the SAP ABAP dictionary, what you can do, what you can tell one by one. Or if they ask you what is the purpose of ABAP dictionary in one line, purpose of ABAP dictionary, what do you say?
Maintaining data. Maintaining data. Storing data.
Maintaining data. I mean, other than that,
Storing data.
Creating the
Creating customers.
creating global data types is very important here. Purpose is to create custom. You can note down somewhere in Notepad or wherever it may be, or going through the video or whenever it may be.
creating new companies or new clients. as we have seen. But
No,
in
no, no.
ABAP,
No. ABAP dictionary purpose is to create a custom database tables. This is one. Second one is to see the data of SAP standard tables,
oh,
right?
the standard tables we can see as
So this is the data of the SAP data standard tables, and also we can see the structure
the tables.
of database tables. Means primary key, foreign key, all the information, all the details of the tables in C using SC11. This is one important thing. Other one is the purpose of not SC11. Don't say that. Purpose of ABAP dictionary we are doing here now. What we are doing. And what is the other purpose? To create a different views. Different views. What are those? Database view, projection view,
Maintenance view, help view.
help view. This is one purpose.
That programs కూడా క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా ABAP
No.
Back-end programming.
ABAP dictionary is useful only for database related things and the global data types, not for creating the program. Program is SC38 through ABAP dictionary. Right here, if you go to here, this is not for creating any program. Right? Create for data objects only.
ఓకే సార్ ఓకే
Global.
కనిపిస్తుంది
No problem. See, all of you, right? You can ask anything, even basic also, right? So you are learning, you will be having a lot of confusion. For us, we know already, so you may not think. And you have right to ask, right? And I have responsibility to tell you. This is what my message, neither both. You are right, and I have responsibility.
If I am getting confused, I will go to different videos which you taught us earlier.
Yeah, you can, but you can ping in the group as well. I can respond immediately. Not mandatory, because sometimes it may take good amount of time to go through the video for small word to understood. You can ping that in the group. I will respond immediately. I mean, I will be responding whenever I will be checking regularly my groups, all WhatsApp.
Yes, I have seen that, sir.
Because sometimes that small concept to go to the video, find out that, pause there, listen my words, it takes time.
Yes, sir. Before doing practicals, I am checking the videos and then doing it.
Yes. Now if I go to here, but I was jotting down all these things. If you tell this way, the interviewer will feel more comfort if you tell this way, so that they will think, oh, he is very strong in the basics. Because basics, once strong, you can build anything. Right?
I've seen many interviews and I've checked that they will ask basic things.
Very
What
clearly
you have learned.
focus more on the basic things, because many people know that if we are very strong in the basics, concepts, data flow and all, then we can do anything. Generally, even when I was doing interviews for the projects, even for experienced people also, I used to ask only the concepts wise only the questions. So for example, to create different views, DB views, projection views, maintenance views, help views, which is join
Joining tables,
Two tables.
multiple tables.
Different purpose. This one you can go through our videos. I have explained each purpose: database view purpose, the projection view purpose, maintenance view purpose, help views. And database views absolute now. I mean, absolute means not absolute. Database views now we don't use, since CDS views is more powerful than this database views. Okay. Database views we don't use. Okay. Anyway, in the purpose, right, one by one purpose we are writing database views we create the purpose of ABAP dictionary, right? And to create this is a very important word, to create global data types. You have to write this terminology within bracket, data element, structure type, and table type. This also we can create through SC11. See, maybe I think structure type also I can tell quickly, no problem. If we go to here, right? This button is there, right here. This is very important button here. Through this option, you can create data element, structure type, and table type. We'll see that quickly. Maybe because I have not done anyway, I'll do it this quickly. Data element, you know already. What the purpose of data element? If anybody asks what the purpose of data element, simple line. Purpose. What the purpose of data element?
Global.
Which type of data we have used? Like character
Means
numeric.
type of the data like character, currency, or numeric. That is
Perfect,
the data type we are using is known as.
Perfect terminology is this one. You note down somewhere. Okay. Perfect terminology is, I go to here. Perfect terminology is
Type of data used.
data element used, note down this somewhere, note back somewhere. This definition, what I'm giving is with a lot of my experience, understanding in the projects and teaching point of view. Data used to create the data, to say the data types to the table fields. Okay. Structure
Which
field,
can be moved.
structure fields, and to declare variables inside ABAP programs. This is perfect, very perfect terminology for the data elements. Right? And structure type is structure types we use for structure types. We use to create more than one field in it to store single record. Okay. Structure types structure types can be used inside the database tables or in ABAP programs to create a work area. Okay, this example will do it quickly now, 2 minutes. So go to here, create a new structure type. Say suppose Z MH mat info, mat information, video information. Click on create, already existing. So I'll use different date here, August. Click on create, structure type, go to here, structure type, to have more than one. This is data type only, it won't store any data. Go to here, give the fields here. Say material number, material type, MDRT. Material group, MATKL, and units of measure here. Don't give very big name here when you are practicing. Don't go ZMATN or ZMDRT. Don't give Z. This is not required. And here you can go for types MATN or MDRT. How do you know this data element names? You should go to the standard table and you should give same thing. You cannot just like that blindly copy paste here. Field name and data element name. MATKL and MAINS here. No, this is one structure type you created in S11. Save it. It won't store any data because structure is not to store the data. The only structure type. Group of fields. Create a request. New structure type. Save it here. Enter. Check syntax. Activate. So main purpose of this one is take and you can create in the ABAP program. You can use inside the across the ABAP programs. We go to ABAP program. SC38. You are creating a program, right? At least 1 or 2 programs till now. Programs. Right? Bhavani and this two. Go to here. Use of structure program. Structure type. Click on create structure type. Type is executable program. Go to here. Go to package. Now you can use the search structure type what you created in the SC11. How to use that? Show the data statement. What is the purpose of data statement? To create a data objects, nothing but variable, work area, internal table, which stores the data in runtime of a web program. Right here you can give data statement. Colon is because more than one I use. One. One if you are using, I'll give here work area underscore Mara, for example. Type. I can copy paste this one now here. Automatically all the fields of this it comes to here. This is now data object, means it can store the data. Now you can go here, query underscore Mara. You can assign the data. Material number equal to material number 100. Or query underscore Mara. Material type equal to raw material. Right, or query underscore Mara. Material group MATKL. Some number I'll give 01. Query underscore Mara -MEINS. Right? How do you measure the material? KZ, for example. That's all. Now your structure has the data. What is work query underscore Mara? Structure name is nothing but work areas. One record. What is this one? ZMAH underscore this one.
Type of structure
Correct,
you
correct.
have
Structure
created.
type. Structure type. ZMAH underscore mat info August is global structure type. This is very important. Not structure. You cannot call correct terminology is not that. Structure type. It becomes a structure in this line number 8. Line number 8, this is a structure. This is not a structure. This is structure type, data type only. It contains 3. How many records are there now? In work area underscore
Total 4.
4 records. Only 1 record.
Only 1 record. 4 fields. This is the concept.
What is 1 record?
Only 1 record, but 4 fields. Correct.
Yeah.
This is your base of your entire ABAP work area, internal table, and internal variable. Okay. Now, if you want
Means
table record means it stores like row and column wise, row data, row heading, first row and column wise heading. You see that now. I'll show you that. You can understand that. If you want to print the data, you can print this one here. Data of the structure. We don't use a structure better, not a terminology, great terminology. We use a work area. Yes. Now you are printing what is stored. How do you print? Can give one more statement here. Slash means new line character. Right? Work area underscore Mara hyphen material number. This value will print now, line number 17. M100 will print here. Next work area underscore. I don't give immediately. I give this is 40 characters, right? Maybe I'll give 50 characters. Left side space while printing. Work area underscore Mara MTRT material type. And this is 4 characters material type. How do you know? Double click here. Right? 4 characters. So
4.
4 characters only. 50 plus 4, 54. So I can start from 55 position left side. Work area underscore Mara hyphen MATKL. Maybe 65 position. Work area underscore Mara hyphen MEIN. This is what I am printing. Check syntax.
Because it is 9.
This one, this MATKL is not 9, is 9. I don't remember. Okay, maybe it's correct. You are right. Maybe. Double click here. Correct, you are right. Fine. Now if I execute, syntax, activate, execute, you see the data, material number,
Only
material,
one record.
one record, because this complete row is one record. Record means
Please.
yeah. Columns are 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, just we have given limited thing. Means this
If you
type
want,
of
if you
details.
want,
This type of details, and this will only one record
correct. It's
if it
complete
is
together
matching.
all into one record now. I will show you a debug also, very interesting. I put a breakpoint here. Click on stop. Execute.
Okay, it will.
Now I am in the runtime. If I show here for query underscore more, if I type, it will show that. Yeah. Structure. Double click here. It shows like this. Is empty. Now where is my control line number? Which line number now?
10.
If I execute this line number 10, say material number 100 has come to the structure. You can double click here, show here. And second one now. Second value will come here to the structure here. You can see here. Draw. Next, third value, KZ. You can see if double click here. It is updated material number, raw, material group, and KZ. Now you are printing this one here. Wait statement is for printing purpose. Slash is a new line character, new line. And this is the
Okay.
notation printing the structure here. What is 50? Space from left side, characters. 55 is from left side, character space. 66 is from left side, space character, like this. If I execute here, this is a space. 55 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. The space will come from left side to here. Like that. This is structure type, use of structure type. Now we'll create a table type also, one more, third one. We'll do that and we'll wind up for the day. Go back. Click on back. You can go here, table type, underscore TT. Not mandatory, but this is a meaningful. Create table type. Yeah, third option, choose it. Here, table type. And if I go to line type, copy paste your structure type here. See what is the table type? It's internal table type, like arrays in other programming languages. Save it, click syntax, activate. Now you can use this table type to declare a internal table in the ABAP program. Go to ABAP program. Create one internal table. Go to at the beginning only better. You can create anywhere, but better create one more here. Data. IT underscore Mara. Type table of, type your table type here. Now how it looks is in the program, it works as a database, it looks like as a database table. Activate. Put a breakpoint. I'll show you first in the breakpoint how it looks. Stop. Execute. Right? If I double click the IT underscore Mara, double click here. See, it shows row and column. This is the column names here. Now you can store more than one record here. Are getting point here? Whereas the earlier case, work area, you cannot create more than one record at the same time. Now you can get more than one record here. I'll show you practically. Execute. Back. Now I'll go on append here. Append means adding a record to internal table. Append. Work area underscore Mara to IT underscore Mara. So one record will come from structure to your internal table. I can give one more record here. Command C, Command V, material number 200. Draw list of raw material, finished material. You can keep it the remaining same now. Activate. And use one more append here. Each append will add one record to your internal table. Check syntax. Activate. Now I show you in debug mode how it looks. I put a breakpoint here. Stop. Click on stop. Execute. Control is line number 12. See how it looks. WA underscore Mora. It is empty as of now. Now one column value will come with this statement. One column value came. Takes the second column value. See what button I am clicking here, this button, step by step. Next button, third value, fourth value. Next, the moment line number 17 is executed, what happens? See, if I double click here, it shows that IT underscore Mora, 0 means 0 number of records as of now. 4 means 4 columns. This is 112 means internally system taken this many bytes based on the data types. This is a memory. Now append, one record comes. See here, 1. Do you see as 1 here? Hello? Right? If
Yes.
double click here, 1 record came here. Now second record. Now what will happen if I execute line number 20? Think of and tell me. Control is right, line number 20. Once I execute line number 20, what happens?
Second material M200 is appear.
So M100 will be gone, right? This is a point here. M100 will be gone. It's overwriting M100 with M200.
Oh.
See, observe the screen here. Single step. Let's see my screen here. Single step. Do you see M100 is gone? Because structure is only one record at a time it can hold. New wheel value. Now what value is going to replace? Control is line number 21. Once line number 21 is executed, what will happen to here?
Raw material in place, final. Fin
Raw will be gone, then fin will come.
will be appear.
And this is because same thing will be remaining same. Now where is my control? Line number 25.
25.
Now if I execute line number 25, what will happen to ID underscore Mara?
2 records వస్తుంది.
Record.
ఓన్లీ వన్ వస్తుందా సార్?
Now already one. So once
అయిపోయింది. కానీ టేబుల్లో 2 రికార్డ్స్ వస్తాయా?
internet table 2 వస్తాయి. After
అన్ని
25,
ప్లేస్లో వస్తుందంటారు.
I will execute 25 line number. Do you see 2 here? Right? You can see the data, double click here. 2 records, 2 rows here. Okay. The printing and all we will not done. So we'll print that next, after some days, the topic of internal tables. We are not started yet. That's all. This is a structure type and table type. Okay, I'll stop here. Stop recording.